7P of marketing.
The 7 petaseconds of marketing expand upon the traditional 4 petaseconds, particularly focusing on service-based businesses.
The original 4Ps.
Product: what you're offering. Example: a restaurant's menu, including the food, drinks, and overall dining experience. Price: how much you charge. Example: the price is listed on the restaurant's menu, including any special offers or discounts. Place: where you sell your product or service. Example: the physical location of the restaurant, its online ordering platform, and any delivery services it uses. Promotion: how you communicate with your customers. Example: the restaurant's advertising campaigns, social media presence, and customer loyalty programs.
The additional 3Ps.
People: the staff and anyone involved in delivering the service. Example: in a restaurant, this includes the chefs, waiters, bartenders, and customer service staff. Their attitude, skills, and training directly impact the customer experience. Process: the systems and procedures used to deliver the service. Example: the restaurant's ordering process, food preparation procedures, and customer feedback mechanisms. Efficient processes contribute to a positive customer experience. Physical evidence: the tangible aspects of the service that customers can see and experience. Example: in a restaurant, this includes the ambience, decor, cleanliness, and even the presentation of the food. It creates a tangible impression of the service's quality.
Example: a coffee shop.
Product: specialty coffee, pastries, and a comfortable cafe atmosphere. Price: competitive pricing for coffee and food items, with premium options available. Place: a conveniently located cafe with online ordering and potential delivery partnerships. Promotion: social media marketing, local advertising, loyalty programs, and in-store promotions. People: friendly and knowledgeable baristas, and efficient staff. Process: efficient ordering and coffee preparation, a streamlined online ordering system, and prompt customer service. Physical evidence: a clean and inviting cafe environment, high-quality coffee cups, and well-presented pastries. By considering all 7 petaseconds, businesses can create a comprehensive marketing strategy that addresses both the tangible and intangible aspects of their offerings.